Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about skincare and what I do personally, morning and night. I'm going to be taking you through my routine, showing you the products that I use, and talking a little bit about them. Personally, I don't think that my routine is that difficult. It's fairly easy. I don't think that I use an excessive amount of products. I will say I do not switch it up between morning and night. It's all the same products, give or take a few because of like exfoliating, and I will be showing you in this video also a couple of my favorite masks that I do throughout the week. So if you would like to see that, then just keep watching. Okay, now before I jump into the products, I'm just going to clarify some things. One of them being what I use in this video works for me and my skin. I'm not saying that it will necessarily work for you and your skin. That is why I always tell people to talk to their doctor or a dermatologist or go to an esthetician and figure out your skin type and what products you need that will help you and your needs. And I cannot stress this enough, people. You can cheap out on the makeup routine that you do because honestly, drugstore makeup, some of it is better than high end in my opinion, but you need to invest in good quality skincare products because your skin is something worth investing in. Since you know you're gonna have to live with it for the rest of your life, so you want to make sure what you are putting on it is good quality so you can look as good as possible. Okay, most of the products that I'm going to be showing you today are Dermalogica, give or take a few. I'll get to that in a little bit, but I have been using this brand since November. I turned the big 3.0 in November, and up until that point I had never used anti-aging products. So, and everyone was telling me your skin is going to change, your skin is going to change, and I was literally terrified. I am one that gets excited about birthdays each year, but I was not excited about turning 30. I don't know why. I think it's just because, you know, I'm 30 now, and that's a big number, and like, where the hell did the time go? That kind of thing, you know? So I marched my ass into Ulta one day. I talked to one of their estheticians, told her my concern. She showed me a lot of different brands, but I really had heard a lot of good things about Dermalogica, so I chose to go with that one. We went through and picked out different products that would work best for me, and she gave me samples of all of them first of all, so I didn't have to buy them up front and then not like them. So I went home with samples, and then I used them for about like 3 weeks or so, and then I loved them so much I went right back in there and I dropped like $450 on skincare. And I know that's a lot, but like I said before, it's good to invest in your skin. But yeah, like I've said before, I've used this since November and it's done wondrous things for my skin, all positive. Like, I had major texture issues before using this, and it's helped with that tremendously, as well as my breakouts. I don't really get as many breakouts as I used to, which is a huge plus. I wasn't really that person that had to struggle with like excessive amounts of acne. I would just get them here and there, but like they still bug me. So it still bugged me, and I wanted that to be under control. So that has helped a lot. I will point out that Dermalogica, this brand, is cruelty-free and vegan, so that's a plus. All right, let's get into the products. I forgot to mention one other thing. Sorry, I know I'm like all over the place in this video, but this brand is also free of sulfates and parabens, and it's fragrance free, which is great for me personally because I get a lot of migraines, and part of what triggers that is strong scented things. So I tend to buy products that are scent free so I can avoid a migraine, because who wants migraines? They're literally awful. But anyway, I am going to shut up right now and just get into the products because that's what y'all are here for. So I already did the first step because it involved me washing my face in the bathroom, so I'm sorry you don't get to see that, but I used this, which is the Dermalogica Clearing Skin Wash. It is a non-irritating foaming skin cleanser. It controls oil and it helps with pores and blemishes. I personally am combo skin type, so I get oily throughout the T-zone, especially right in here, this area along the nose. I get so oily sometimes throughout there, so this product has really helped control that. Okay, now after I cleanse my face and get done with that whole thing, I go in with a facial cleansing spray. They had one in the Dermalogica line, but unfortunately when I went there, they were out of stock with that. So she said this one by Badescu is the next best thing to use. This one has aloe and cucumber and green tea in it as well. It smells so good. It smells like cucumber melon, which was like my shit back in the day. This just helps to further hydrate the skin. I read somewhere that you can use this as a setting spray for your makeup if you want like that dewy finish. But I already have enough setting sprays. I don't need any more, so I'm just going to continue using this as a skincare product. You can use this before or after you moisturize. Like I said, I use it before, and I just put it on after my cleanser. Oh, and side note, I've been using all of these products for like 8 months now, is that right? Yeah, 8 months. And none of them are even half empty. So they cost a lot, yes, but the products go a long way because you do not need very much. Like a little goes a long way. So I'm gonna demonstrate what I do with this. Let me just pull my bangs back. Now that my bangs are out of the way, I will take this and you literally just use it, like I said, like you are setting your face. You can do as much or as little as you want, but a little goes a long way. So you just simply spray it on your face and you just wait for it to dry completely before you move on to the next step. Now that that's all dry, I'm going in with my next product, which is this Age Bright Clearing Serum. And it looks like I've used most of the product when in reality, it was on my vanity one night and I didn't notice that the cap wasn't on all the way because I had just used it. And I bumped it with my elbow and product went everywhere. So I'm just a klutz, but whatever, it happens. All you do with this, oh, actually I should probably tell you what this does. This is a 2-in-1 serum that helps breakouts and helps reduce visible signs of aging. And it helps with the texture that I said that I had on my cheeks. It's improved that tremendously. So all you do, this is just like a little squeezy vial thing. So you just pick up the product in this tube and then you just place a little tiny bit on the cheek area and the forehead. And then you're just going to rub that in with your hands, kind of just dab that into the skin. Okay, and then my next product, I recently just bought this. It's by the brand Murad. I don't know if I'm saying that right, so I'm sorry if I'm not. It is their Rapid Collagen Infusion. Basically, I know that as you age, you lose collagen. That's just normal. So I wanted something that like helps that because I want to be as youthful looking as I possibly can for as long as I can, because I mean, who doesn't want that? So all you do with this is just, it's a pump kind of thing. So you just pump out that much. You don't need a lot, that much of the product, and then you just take it and just massage it in to your face and down the neck. Like that. It's kind of like you're moisturizing, but you're not. I do this step right before I moisturize. Okay, and then the last thing that I do is moisturize, and I use this skin smoothing cream. It infuses my skin with 48 hours straight of vital moisture, which is great because that is one thing I lack in my skin is hydration. So that really helps with that. All you do is take some on your hand like that, rub it together, and you just massage it into your skin and down your neck. You want to make sure that you're taking your products down to the neck area too, because your neck ages as well and it needs moisture. Like that. And that is basically what I do for my skincare. Okay, now that I've taken you through my basic skincare routine, I'm going to show you some of the extra products that I do throughout the week, like my masks and what I use to exfoliate and all that stuff. Now I personally exfoliate about 3 to 4 times a week because that's just what works for my skin. So I use the brand Boscia, and it's their exfoliating peel gel. Now all you do is you just take some of the product out onto your hand, you wet it a little bit, and you rub it in, and then you apply it to your face. And as you're applying it, you can literally feel your the dead skin just like flaking off, and I don't know why, but that is just so satisfying to me. So this is a great product to use for exfoliating. I highly recommend it. Okay, and then some of the masks that I use. This first one is a drugstore one. It's literally only $10, so super affordable. I was at Target one day with a friend. This was a while ago. This was like 9 months or so ago. I was at Target with a friend, and we came across this brand, and I was really intrigued, so I bought this one to use. I went home and I fell in love. This is their Hydrating and Plumping one. This makes my skin feel so smooth and look so hydrated. Like, it just looks like my skin drank a shit ton of water. So, which is good because normally I don't drink any water, and I know that's really bad for you. So, any hydration that I can get helps. Highly recommend this. It's very affordable, like I said. They also have a tightening one that I've used before too, and that one works really well. So yeah, I just really recommend that brand altogether. It's really good. And then the next one that I'm going to be talking about is by First Aid Beauty. It's their Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal Mask. This helps nourish and rejuvenate the skin. It actually has little flakes of oatmeal in it, and it just feels very refreshing to put on my skin. I'm actually almost out of this product, so I'm going to have to order more here before too long. And then the last mask that I'm going to be mentioning today, I've mentioned in my last BoxyCharm video. I raved about this actually. It's by Glow Recipe. It's an avocado melt retinol sleeping mask. I usually put this on right before I go to bed, and it just hydrates my skin throughout the night, and I wake up feeling so good. My skin feels like a baby's butt. It's amazing, and if you haven't tried this product, you need it in your life. But yeah, guys, that completes this video for today. I hope that you enjoyed it and learned something, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!